fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve not loading on Gmail app, you will click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, defaults, apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Gmail, and you will click here. In this page, you will click on Gmail app. After that, you can click on first stop, and you can click OK. Here we'll enter the storage. Then you can click clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.